In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a blank Jotform. Whether you need a physical copy for an event, a meeting, or just prefer having a hard copy for your records, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's easy and straightforward. Let's dive in. To start, we need to head over to Jotform's official website. Jotform is a fantastic tool that offers a free online form builder and form creator, allowing you to develop a wide range of forms for your personal or business needs. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to gain access to your forms. This means you'll need to log in. Click on the login button found usually at the top right corner of the page. This is where Jotform provides options for logging in, including using your Google account or other platforms you've connected before. It's a nice touch that streamlines the process, especially if you're someone who prefers using a single sign-on method. Now that you're logged in, your next destination is the My Forms section. This section is essentially the heart of your Jotform account, where all your carefully crafted forms are housed. It's here where you can manage, edit, and yes, print your forms. Navigate to this area to find the form you wish to print. Once you've located the form in question, it's not immediately obvious how to print a blank copy of it, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Look for the More button associated with the form you want to print. This button reveals additional options and functionalities. Among these options, you'll find Publish Form. This might seem a bit counterintuitive at first since our end goal is to print, but trust me on this one. After clicking Publish Form, your next step is to select PDF. This option prepares your form to be transformed into a downloadable PDF document, a necessary step to get your form from the digital realm into the physical world. When you click on the PDF option, it takes you a step closer to achieving your goal. The final step in this process is the actual downloading of your form as a PDF document. Look for the Download button and give it a click. This action prompts your computer to save a copy of the form in PDF format. What you now have is a digital version of your form, perfectly replicated in PDF format and ready to meet the physical world. Before you rush off to print, let me offer a couple of tips to ensure the best possible outcome. When you open your PDF document, take a moment to review it on your computer screen. Ensure that everything looks correct and that the form is indeed blank as intended. Now when you go to print, remember to adjust your printer settings according to the requirements of your specific form. This might involve selecting the correct paper size or changing the print quality settings. These small adjustments can make a big difference in the final product. In printing a blank Jotform, you've bridged the gap between digital convenience and physical necessity. This process might seem a bit convoluted at first glance, but once you've walked through it step by step, it's really quite simple. Whether you're preparing forms for an upcoming event, a meeting, or just need a physical copy for your records, knowing how to print a blank form from Jotform is an invaluable skill. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to print a blank Jotform. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it's demystified the process for you. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, but sometimes it takes a little bit of navigation to get to where we need to go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.